Ready to say goodbye to your Weebly website for good? Let's walk through a quick and easy process to delete your website and account permanently. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your account using your email address and password. This will take you to your Weebly dashboard where you can manage your websites. Once you're in your dashboard, find the website you want to delete. Hover your mouse over the website thumbnail and you'll see 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Delete Site. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to back out, so make sure you really want to delete the site. To confirm, you will need to type in your website name exactly as it appears. This is to prevent accidental deletions, so make sure you spell it correctly, then click Delete. Now to delete your entire Weebly account, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile picture or name in the dashboard. Scroll down until you see the Delete My Weebly Account button and click it. Weebly will ask you one last time if you're sure. Read the information carefully, as this action is irreversible. If you're ready, confirm the deletion and that's it. Your Weebly website and account are now permanently deleted.